4.
I got my camera.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have a blooper reel. Oh, that's amazing.
Welcome to my kitchen. So, Jordan, you've been with me for years. Fucking hate that.
So good.
Lee's first
You're
time.
behind.
It's
Catch
his,
up to me.
it's his first time
It's
using
one bite. It's,
I
how am I
wanna catch
behind?
up
It's
to me.
one bite. You can give me that.
Alright, let's get a clap. Nice clap.
That was solid.
Solid clap.
You're gonna need to be here tomorrow. Thank you for juicing those for me. And take this, get that out of your way so we can enjoy. So,
What are you doing? What is that? Let me get this out of my system.
you know what would help? Nick Gray, a serious
Oh my
face.
god,
Get in here.
okay. Okay, sorry. Oh no.
I thought, and you wanted me to have her make vinaigrette. What the fuck?
All right, chef.
See?
I don't know what I was hoping for you to say thank you or something.
Frank, don't step on the other side.
I know, I came right back. Fucking saw it, Travis.
Is that on audio? It's wheat. Oh, it's a wheat noodle.
It's flour.
Flour.
Yeah, so it's wheat.
Right. Yeah. Same thing. Hey.
Hey.
All right, this guy.
So I don't know what's going on with this crew, but
A little more on the enchiladas now.
Okay, fine. I will.
replay for him.
Yeah. Frank's like, oh, I'll serve you 360 days a year. I do want to know what you're doing those other 5 days. I want you to tell me.
What's the enchiladas taste like? What do the enchiladas taste like?
Thanks for juicing the lemons. So we're gonna get the salad assembled. I'm using your favorite, arugula.
Don't say anything about lemon.
Gosh.
Lemon is the trigger. Let it go.
It's her safe word in bed, lemon.
Jesus Christ.
Lemons!
Right while they're still eating and say thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just talk about how I hope you learn and the pros and stuff like that. You know.
Yeah, you
the
can
things-
say
You were a speechwriter for Bush.
The first.
Being here with you, eating food like this is what makes me happy.
Oh, it's so great. It's a good life, Frank. You have a good life.
We're very lucky.
Now kiss. Now kiss.
Frank looks at the camera like, unbelievable. You buy that? To you, Frank. Yay!
I'm so glad I didn't pee my pants.